Here I am going to ask you 10 questions from the chapter The Living World, Biology 11th NCERT. So, the first question is, amongst all the kingdom, the only taxon that exists in nature as a biologically cohesive unit is the A. Species, B. Genus, C. Phylum or division, D. Kingdom. Pause the video and take your time. Okay. So, the answer is A. Species. Okay. So the next question is, in a taxonomic hierarchy, genus is interpolated between A. Kingdom and class, B. Phylum and order, C. Order and species, D. Family and species. Your time starts now. So the answer is D. Family and species. Okay. The third question is, the taxonomic category below the level of family is A. Class, B. Species, C. Phylum or D. Genus. Take your time and choose the correct option. So the answer is D. Genus. Okay. Question 4 is, a collection of species which bear a close resemblance to one another in the morphological characters of the floral part is known as A. Family, B. Variety, C. Genus or D. Division. Okay, so now the time for the answer. And the answer is C. Genus. The correct answer is C. Now the question 5 is, the suffix oid for A. Tribe, B. Family, C. Class, D. Subfamily. So the answer is D. Subfamily. Oid is used for subfamily. Question number 6. On the basis of nucleus, viruses should be placed under A. Prokaryotes, B. Eukaryotes, C. Both A and B, or D. None of these. And the answer is A. Prokaryotes. Okay. Question number 7. A true species consists of a population which is A. Sharing the same niche, B. Interbreeding, C. Feeding over the same, D. Geographically isolated. And the answer is B. Interbreeding. Okay. Question number 8. In a biological terminology, a group of similar organisms which capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring is called A. Species, B. Genus, C. Tribe or D. Family. Pause the video and take your time. So the answer is A. Species. Okay. Now question number 9. Which of the following taxonomic category includes one or more related orders? A. Phylum division, B. Genus, C. Family or D. Class. And the answer is D. Class. Okay. So the last question is, the plant growing in an area surrounded by a geographical or political boundary will be included in A. Fauna, B. Aquatic ecosystem, C. Flora or D. Terrestrial ecosystem. Now the time for answer C. Flora. The correct answer is C. Flora. flora for plants. Now the result: if your 8 to 10 answer correct, then excellent, move on the next chapter. If 6 to 7 mediocre, revise time to time. Less than 5, so not satisfactory, learn the chapter again. Okay, if your score is less than 5, so it's not very well. Okay, now subscribe my channel and like my video. We'll meet in my next video inshallah. Till then, bye. Thank you.